Welcome everyone, I'm Louis Cipher, a glass blower with a passion for video and graphic design.
And I'm Dorothy Koss, a jeweler and a soul artist, and these are our girls, Mara and Clarissa.
This is our studio, a once abandoned greenhouse, and these are the greenhouse studio sessions. We aren't built to punch a clock, so we invite you to join us as we work to live life on our own terms as independent artists and entrepreneurs.
Watch as we create our works, learn new skills, and show you firsthand how these beautiful pieces are created.
We'll cover everything from creating our works to marketing and selling them to creating our videos and social media posts. We hope that you'll find something in our journey that will help you on your own, and maybe you'll even learn a thing or two while you're here.
If you like our videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.